Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we are talking about Honda and Acura diagnostic tool and the services that we are going to see together. Please subscribe, share, and like. It will help our YouTube channel to grow. And here, Honda, the newer the car, the little bit complicated the system. You see here the hood is open. This car after crash. And if you notice here, we have some light blinking, the lane line, and also in the corner here also, auto idle, smart entry system problem. See your dealer. What are we going to use? We are going to use Denso STI, a key diagnostic mode. This is what you need for Honda interface, the original one. Okay, one side to the OBD2, and here is your connector. This shows that you have it connected well, and USB. Let's go and see what is gonna happen. Okay, here I'm gonna use DST-i start. Okay. Here, if you wanna program a computer, update a computer, you're gonna click here. This is immobilize the tools. Here is VCI connection. It's a little bit of all the software. Initialize Honda diagnostic. This is an idea. Okay, here is the car 2022. You see here in the corner 2022. This is offline. Just let me show you here 2022, and here you need to put the repair order. Let me see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't put the repair order, it will not come to diagnose this. So I want to check the DTC. For example, I will come here and try to see, you want all the DTC or system DTC. I'm gonna diagnose the whole car. Integrated driver support system. You see here, this execute all DTC. Car engine must not run. Okay, go next. Now you see here, anything with a blue, that's a good. I don't want the internet here, but anything that is, you see the millimeter wave radar aiming incomplete. That's one of the codes, which we have it here. You see it here. And also we have a statistic camera aiming incomplete. That's one of the codes. And also we're going to see another door lock DTC. What we have here, open it from the plus sign. Rear shelf, left front antenna circuit open. Rear shelf. So that's also, we have a problem here. And now air condition, what we have, and open in the outside air temperature circuit. Okay. Rear shelf antenna circuit open. We need to analyze that and see what happened. And now the last one here, rear shelf left antenna circuit open. We have to check and open in the outside air temperature sensor, and also rear shelf left antenna circuit. We need to diagnose all those codes and fix them. The two in the top one, the radar have to be fixed. The rear shelf left antenna circuit have to be, look at it where it is, and have to be rear shelf left antenna circuit. So this one need a diagnostic information, what have to be done. And in the bottom here, we have no problem. You see here, everything, wiper, everything here, everything look good. You see, we don't have anything else. Engine, you see here. That's why maybe the open and outside air temperature, rear shelf, left front antenna circuit open. Okay, we don't know what make that one. So it's good to have the dealer tools or anything that is can help. Let me try to start it. Because the battery went down less than 12, that's why it keep making the noise. Okay, if I click here, On the code itself, it tells you, and if you need to go more details, you can look at search, or that's a different story, or DTC. Now it will not go more than that. So my job here is now I have to go DOS. I have to do the aiming, millimeter wave radar aiming incomplete, statistic camera incomplete. That one you can go back to integrated module. If you want to go here, for example, for the integrated module, here is only DTC. If you can see that integrated module here, or if you want to go back, you're going to click here, and now you can go back to go back one more, and now data listing, function and test. You see here, if you want to do some test, keyless transmitter, forget about that. Select here. Here is if you want to go and check drive support, and where is the other one? Brake, one push start, automatic transmission. Okay, if you want to do something now, you can go from here, collect the piece that is not working well, and see what happened to it. Power control, backup control. I don't know what the. Okay, if you want to shoot them, like if you want to shoot something, maybe I am not sure. Okay, here you can shoot something, or you can choose this one here. Which one you want to choose? Maybe you have to choose one at a time. One push start. See if there is any codes. Zero DTC on backup control. We're going to check the other one. So now we're going to go here. Is there any DTC? There is no DTC. And we just go back, system selection, integrated driver support, close it, go open it. Hopefully it's clear. If it's not clear, I gotta look for other. Is there any DTC here? Yes. What DTC you have? I have those DTCs. So if you want to do the repair for this, you have to go back and go to adjustment, help menu. You want to do adjustment, help adjustment, static camera aiming. It will show you adjustment help menu, static camera setting. When you perform this function, the current aiming data will be erased, and new will be this function, static camera alignment with target board. It is necessary to perform. It's just idea. So you need to perform it. It may give you some information where it is, what you need to get. Stop, ensure the parking brake is okay. And now from there, you're gonna say Esther, and then it will show you step by step what you need to do, where it's gonna be. Visual contact disturbed, static camera aim was interrupted. Please solve the problem. Say okay, switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. Okay, and now also you need to do this one. Support vehicle equipped with a radar unit. This function. If you want to get more information, maybe Park the vehicle in a suitable place. Okay. Park vehicle. Okay. Do not set up the aiming yet. You say put it in a good place. Maybe he would tell you what you need to do. You see the distance, the aiming distance that you're gonna show you. Set up the aiming target according to the service manual as shown. You see here what they tell you to do. Image. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can go down. Anyhow, this is what they need you to do. Vertical alignment, minus 28 degree. Horizontal alignment, press enter after that. You must do it correctly. All this have to go in between, and then click next. If it doesn't work, there is no target. Aiming radar is true, there is nothing. The ignition off. This is just an idea. If you want to do it, you need the tools to put it in the front. I'm just trying to show you what's going on. I'm going to start the car. And also we know that we have one sensor is no good. So I'm going to go back one data list. I don't need no data list. Okay. Anyhow, we have our diagnostic protocol, and this is function and test, registration and learning. This consolidate previously available in the registration and learning. I don't know what it is. Let me see. EC replacement, airbag, gauge, crank relearn, EC relearn, SRS relearn. Thank you for watching. Let me see if I can see something else. This is a quick information about those tools. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video. Thank you.